Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of smart design and everyday adventure with the 2026 Malibu Van Compact 540DB Campervan. Precisely engineered for efficiency and comfort, this compact campervan sets new standards for mobility and practicality. First, let's talk about the interior. Malibu is well known for its intelligent space utilization and solid German craftsmanship, and the 2026 Compact 540DB is a perfect example. Step inside and you're welcomed by a bright, well-organized living space that blends modern styling with everyday functionality. High-quality upholstery, durable cabinetry, and soft ambient lighting create a cozy yet refined atmosphere. The lounge area features a flexible seating layout with a swiveling driver and passenger seat, creating a comfortable dining and relaxation zone. The compact kitchen is fully equipped with a gas cooktop, sink, refrigerator, and smart storage solutions, making meal preparation easy on the road. At the rear, the transverse double bed provides excellent sleeping comfort, while the integrated bathroom with a shower and toilet ensures you have all essential amenities wherever your journey takes you. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Malibu Van Compact 540DB embraces a clean and functional design. Built on a reliable Fiat Ducato platform, its compact dimensions make it ideal for city driving, as well as narrow country roads. The sleek body lines improve aerodynamics while maintaining a timeless campervan appearance. The exterior finish is both durable and stylish, designed to withstand long-distance travel and varying weather conditions. Practical features such as a side sliding door, exterior lighting, and optional awning enhance outdoor usability. Its compact wheelbase allows for easy parking and maneuverability, making this campervan perfect for both first-time buyers and experienced travelers. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Malibu Van Compact 540DB is powered by a fuel-efficient 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine that delivers a smooth and dependable driving experience. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating mountain roads, this campervan feels stable and confident. The engine is paired with a refined manual or optional automatic transmission, offering balanced performance and low fuel consumption. Advanced safety and driver assistance features such as lane assist, traction control, and parking sensors help reduce fatigue and increase confidence behind the wheel. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Malibu Van Compact 540DB Campervan is positioned as a premium compact option with a focus on quality and usability. With an estimated starting price of around $85,000, it offers excellent value for those seeking a well-built, versatile campervan without stepping into full motorhome territory. The price reflects its durable construction, practical layout, and dependable performance. For buyers who value freedom, flexibility, and efficient travel, this campervan represents a smart investment. To sum up, the 2026 Malibu Van Compact 540DB Campervan delivers an impressive balance of comfort, efficiency, and intelligent design. It's perfectly suited for couples or solo travelers looking for adventure without compromise. Whether you're planning weekend escapes or extended road trips, this campervan provides everything you need in a compact and reliable package. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in campervan and automotive excellence.